Israel is gonna nazar. Jeng 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 jeng.
Hello. Hello, bro.
Speak English.
Where are you from, bro? Yes.
Singapura.
Yes, I'm from Romania.
Oh, siapa yang nanya? What are you doing tuh?
Police come here. Oh no! Police come here. I skipped the police.
Oh.
This is my dad. Oh, look, dad. Mi-am găsit un prieten din Somalia. What are you from, bro?
Where are you from?
Where? What are you from?
Where are you from? My English is not good.
Singapura.
I skipped the Singapore.
Yeah.
Okay. I skipped the school because I so small.
Why you skip your school?
Because I'm so, I don't know.
You lazy? Huh?
Yes.
Oh, you want to play game?
Yes.
Dasar itu. Your future is dark.
It's not dark.
Iya. Masa depan itu suram.
What?
Your future will be dark
It's not bad.
if you don't go to school.
I go to school
So why you skip your school?
because I'm so tired.
Subscriber lama. Israel.
No, Palestine.
Oh, Free Palestine.
Free Palestine.
Waduh. Palestina nyesel gue belain lu. Hello. You from Israel?
Yeah.
Oh, you speak English gak?
Yeah, we do.
Why your picture is miring gini?
Do you like Israel?
Iya, Israel. Gimana Israel is gonna nazar. Jeng jeng Israel is a land stealer. Jeng gitu. Hey Vietnam. Hey, how are you? Hey, good.
Fine.
Oh, what's your name? Nguyen.
Home.
Home is a house, you know.
What's your name?
My name is Tali Rapia. You are very smile, cengar-cengir. Bro, is there any ngabers beat in Vietnam? Ada gak ya? Bingung kan dia.
Do you like football?
Yeah, I like football. What is your favorite team? What is your favorite team in football?
Manchester United.
Waduh, not good because Maguire is very bad. He is a bad center back. Bikin susah. De Gea bikin susah apa ya? Make annoying to De Gea, bikin kesel.
What is your idol?
Susah ya. Orang Vietnam lidahnya kaku banget, kayak kanebo kering. Idol. Oh, my idol Zinedine Zidane. Yeah, you know Zinedine Zidane?
Yeah.
Bald in the center. Botak tengahnya. Minum dulu. White water. Air putih. Jerman. You from Jerman?
Germany. I'm from Germany.
Oh, iya. I'm sorry nih, because you look like Indian. You know, your appearance.
I'm from India. I'm from Sri Lanka.
You from Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
Oh.
Are you from Singapore?
No, I'm from Indonesia.
Who?
Iya, Indonesia, near Singapore.
Nice.
You are in Jerman right now.
Yeah. I'm Sri Lanka, no Indian.
Oh,
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lankan. Iya. Because I cannot differentiate Sri Lankan, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and India. You know, you look like the same.
Yeah.
Physically.
But we have our own language.
Oh, you have your own language.
Yeah.
The different language and culture. Oh,
Yes,
gitu.
yes.
What are you doing in Jerman?
I am doing some work.
Oh, you work in Jerman. Germany.
Yeah.
Oh, iya. What is your nationality right now? You are a Germany citizen or?
I'm Germany.
Oh, so you have a Germany passport, atau ya?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
gitu. What kind of job you do in Jerman?
I work for my money.
Mau mana? Iya, I know. Itu gue keplak pada lu. Iya, what kind of job you do?
I go on the street and take some bottle and pay them out.
Oh, jadi sedot WC dia. Kenapa mau ke sini? Indonesia. Come here. Daripada lu kena roket Rusia, sayang.
Years old.
Oh, years old. 19.
But 9, 10.
19 lagu ya, 90 kocak.
Yeah. Don't know.
Sini, gue bawa dua-dua sini. Mau gak? Come here to Indonesia. Daripada you kena roket Rusia, sayang.
Basic lines. Aten. Basic. 1.
You be YouTuber aja di Indonesia, jadi YouTuber. Orang bule jadi YouTuber laku loh.
Years old.
Oh iya, years old. Years old apaan sih? Gue gak ngerti lu nanya apa. 19.
Klasse. Schule.
Sore.
Schule gehen.
Hah?
Schule gehen.
Sule. Bukan Sule nama gue. Nama gue Kaleng Kongguan.
Ya dipakai lagi.
Tumben gue dapet cewek begini. Nyambung kakak.
I guess you glass liter 1, 2 more.
Tertawa lagi bule dah. Apa-apa dah, seru juga nih main bule nggak nyambung. Nigeria, ini gue seneng. Hello. Are you from Nigeria? Yeah. Oh yeah. How are you? Fine. I'm from Indonesia. You from Nigeria. What's your name?
Excuse me?
What's your name?
Oh, Nan, or you can call me Clara.
What? Pardon me.
Okay, hold on.
Nah ini mau deh Nigeria. Clara or Nano?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Which one better? Oh, they all same, Clara. Oh, where do you live? Abuja. Where do you live?
Yes. Yes, but I actually traveled to my hometown.
Oh, you're from Abuja. Do you know Pierre Njanka?
I don't think no.
Oh, football player from Nigeria. You don't watch football, eh?
No.
Oh. How old are you?
Guess, can you just guess my age?
Berapa ya? 2020.
Oh,
Udah langsung bibit deh kayak Afgan. Pardon me?
That was close, but actually,
Pardon me?
no.
Oh.
I'm not.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
So how?
So how?
22.
22.
22.
Oh, 22.
Oh, 22.
Yeah, so you are working right now.
So you are working right now?
Or student.
Or student?
Iya.
Iya.
Lagi ngapain nih?
Lagi ngapain nih?
I'm actually 21. Will be 22 by August.
Will be 22 by August.
Oh, gitu. So you are student, still student.
You are student, still student.
Yeah. And you?
Oh, gitu. Iya.
Gitu.
I have get graduated.
I have get
Graduated from university.
From university.
Iya. I have graduated from university.
I have graduated from university.
How old?
I am 25.
I am 25.
My name is Kertas Cabe.
My name is Kertas Cabe.
Excuse me.
Kertas Cabe.
Kertas Cabe.
Chili pepper, Mas.
Chili pepper, Mas.
Kertas cabe.
Kertas cabe.
Okay. Kertas cabe.
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 Okay, cabe.
Iya, kertas cabe.
Cabe.
Iya, kertas cabe.
How is Nigeria right now?
Nigeria right now?
Very
Good.
hot. Has to sit down.
Good.
So hot.
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 Yeah.
How many degrees in
How
Celsius?
many degrees in Celsius?
I don't even know because I didn't check the show.
Maybe about 36 kali ya. Enggak lah, 36 masih ini juga 36. Ya, mati dong. Kepanasan HP-nya tuh. Subscribe.